Good morning everyone. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are going to look after the assignment number 12 based on the trigonometry. Let us start with the question number 1. Prove that 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta into 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta equal to 2. So let us start with the solution for the first question. Here, when you go for the solution part, what I am going to do in this is cot, cosec, tan, secant. Everything I am going to turn with respect to sine and cos. So see here. What I will do is 1 plus cot theta I will write as cos theta by sin theta minus cosec theta I will write as 1 by sin theta into in this 1 plus tan theta I will write it as sin theta by cos theta plus secant theta I will write it as 1 by cos theta. This is the part what I am going to do in this. Now what I will do here, the LCM part is sin theta in this. So what I will be left in the numerator part is nothing but sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta. And in the same thing, when I come to for this part, when I take the LCM here, cos theta will be the LCM for me. So what I will be left in the numerator, cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. Okay. So now when I multiply these two terms, the denominator will be sin theta into cos theta. Okay. The numerator part, a minus b into, when this will be plus 1, a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So what I am going to left with sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1, right? So when I go for the further step in this, what I will be left in the numerator part when I check it properly, a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is nothing but sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta. So here we know clearly that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta. So plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled in this. So I am left with 2 sin theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. Here the sin theta cos theta gets cancelled. So answer left is 2. This is what we have to prove. Now let us come to the next question. What is second question here? If cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, then you have to prove that cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. So let us come to the solution for this question. Now what I am going to do here is I will square it on both sides. When I square it on both sides for this equation, let me write this first. Cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. Let us name this as equation number 1. Now squaring on both sides. On squaring on both sides, what I will be left with now? The left side part, cos theta plus sin theta whole square is equal to root 2 cos theta whole square. So now on the further simplification of this part, so it will be cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to root 2 cos theta whole square will be 2 cos square theta. Now what I will do, I will keep this 2 sin theta cos theta on the left side, the remaining part I will take to the RHS. Then what I will get here, 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus, when these two terms goes to that side, minus cos square theta minus sin square theta. So here it will be 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to, so 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta will be cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, or if you write it, just reverse part, cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Now name this as second equation. Now what I am going to do here is second divided by first. Yes, okay. So now second equation, the LHS part it is a square minus b square. So write in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So second divided by first. So what I will get here? Second equation LHS. Cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. This is the LHS of the second equation by, what is the LHS of the first equation? It is nothing but cos theta plus sin theta. Okay. Now equal to RHS of the second equation, that is 2 sin theta cos theta by RHS of the first equation, it is nothing but root 2 cos theta. So cos theta gets cancelled here. Cos theta plus sin theta, cos theta plus sin theta gets cancelled here. So what I am left with now? cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Sin theta by root 2. So 1 root 2, 1 root 2 gets cancelled. I am left with cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. This is what you have to prove. Coming to the next question, that is question number 3. So if secant theta plus tan theta is equal to m, show that m square minus 1 by m square plus 1 is equal to sin theta. So now what I am going to do here is, let me take the LHS of this part, that is nothing but m square minus 1 by m square plus 1. So what I am going to do, in the place of m, substitute the given m, the given value, that is secant theta plus tan theta. So let me substitute here. So secant theta plus tan theta whole square minus 1 by secant theta plus tan theta whole square plus 1. Now the next step is apply a plus b whole square formula in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So what I will get here, secant square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 secant theta tan theta minus 1 by secant square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 secant theta tan theta plus 1. Okay. Now what I am going to do here, a small adjustment part. If you observe properly, I will write secant square theta minus 1 beside to each other. Here I will write tan square theta plus 1 beside to each other. So what I will be left with here in this case, so let me write secant square theta minus 1 beside to each other in bracket. The remaining terms is plus tan square theta plus 2 secant theta tan theta in the numerator. Denominator part, secant square theta I will keep it as it is, plus tan square theta plus 1, tan square theta and plus 1 I am going to just write beside to each other in the brackets. Tan square theta plus 1 plus 2 secant theta tan theta is left as it is. Now if you observe properly here, we know secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. According to that identity, secant square theta minus 1 is nothing but tan square theta plus the remaining two terms is as it is, 2 secant theta tan theta by here tan square theta plus 1 is nothing but again secant square theta according to the same identity. So I will write in the denominator secant square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 secant theta tan theta. Now here you observe properly, tan square theta plus tan square theta is 2 tan square theta. Here I have tan theta again. So let me take 2 tan theta common in the numerator. So if I take 2 tan theta common in the numerator, so 2 tan square theta, 2 tan theta came outside, I will be left with only tan theta plus 2 and tan theta came here as a common part, so left with secant theta in the numerator by, in the same thing, in the same way here also, I will take 2 secant theta common in the denominator. So 2 secant square theta, I took 2 secant theta common, so I will be left with secant theta plus 2 and tan secant theta came outside, I will be left with tan theta. Okay, these 2 gets cancelled. Now if you observe properly in this, these 2 and these 2 also gets cancelled. So I am left with only tan theta plus tan theta by secant theta. So I am left with only tan theta by secant theta. We know clearly that tan can be written as sin by cos and secant can be written as 1 by cos. This cos and cos gets cancelled. So I am left with only sin theta. This is the solution for the question number 3. Thank you.